Let's see.
I'm trying to let you have control.
Oh, it's okay.
It was a domestic violence situation where I woke up battered and there was a lot of
I'm so sorry.
trauma to my neck.
You started to develop seizures how often?
Almost every other month. It
Really?
felt like, yeah.
Once I can see your feet pull a little bit there, then I know I'm in the right spot.
Ah! Oh my God!
Please.
Oh. Okay.
Different, right? What did that feel like for you? Open, yep.
And open all the way. Oh, that feels so good.
So you're feeling good.
It feels amazing.
That's so good.
yeah.
But it doesn't look broken, no. Look at that. You're so welcome. So
We're
good.
bringing Grandma. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
You're so
you.
welcome.
Thank you.